Are you tired of the backache and frustration that comes with traditional cleaning methods? Say goodbye to hours of scrubbing and kneeling with Synoshi Power Spin Scrubber. This powerful tool uses a rotating action to easily loosen and remove dirt, debris, and stuck-on food from your kitchen, bathroom, and other surfaces. With its ability to cover a large area quickly, you'll be able to finish your cleaning tasks in no time. This multifunction electric cleaning spin scrubber can be used with 3 different cleaning heads: universal brush for all surfaces, cone-shaped head for difficult corners, and sponge head for glass, pots, pans, and other flat surfaces. Not only will cleaning power scrubbers save you time and effort, but it can also help to reduce the spread of germs and bacteria. Its high-speed rotation and powerful suction can remove 99.99% of bacteria, germs, and viruses, leaving your surfaces not just clean, but also hygienic. Its bristles are gentle on surfaces, preventing scratches and scuffs, while the lack of harsh chemicals means that you can avoid contact with irritants that can cause allergies or other skin issues. For a limited time, we are offering a special deal. Get 50% off your purchase of our cleaning power scrubber. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to upgrade your cleaning routine. The same cleaning routine that would take an hour now takes 15 minutes max. The device is lightweight and powerful, has 2-speed gears, is rechargeable, has no cord to be tangled up within, and is waterproof. It is the hottest new trend in the household market, taking it by storm. So why endure the pain and potential skin issues of traditional cleaning methods? Make the switch to Synoshi Power Spin Scrubber and enjoy this innovative tool's ease, effectiveness, and skin-friendly benefits. Click the link below and claim your discount today.